Mastering ISO 14006. Only Visionaries prioritize ISO 14006 for unstoppable performance. Who are the individuals or organizations that should prioritize the primary focus of ISO 14006, Operational Excellence Standard, which emphasizes the integration of environmental management with operational excellence to enhance overall performance? The primary focus of ISO 14006, Operational Excellence Standard, is to integrate environmental management with operational excellence to enhance overall performance. This standard is crucial for individuals and organizations that aim to achieve operational excellence while minimizing their environmental footprint. Given the significance of this standard, the following individuals and organizations should prioritize its implementation. 1. Top management. Senior leaders and top management are responsible for setting the overall direction and strategy of an organization. They should prioritize the implementation of ISO 14006 to demonstrate their commitment to operational excellence and environmental sustainability. 2. Operations managers. As they are responsible for the day-to-day operations of an organization, operations managers should ensure that all processes and systems are aligned with the principles of operational excellence and environmental management. 3. Quality managers. Quality managers are responsible for ensuring that an organization's products or services meet customer requirements and industry standards. By prioritizing ISO 14006, they can integrate environmental considerations into the quality management system. 4. Environmental managers. Environmental managers are responsible for managing an organization's environmental impacts and ensuring compliance with environmental laws and regulations. They should prioritize ISO 14006 to integrate environmental considerations into operational excellence. 5. Supply chain managers. Supply chain managers should prioritize ISO 14006 to ensure that their organization's suppliers and partners are committed to operational excellence and environmental sustainability. 6. Manufacturers. Manufacturers should prioritize ISO 14006 to minimize their environmental footprint and improve the overall efficiency of their operations. 7. Service providers. Service providers, including those in the healthcare, hospitality, and finance sectors, should prioritize ISO 14006 to improve their operational efficiency and reduce their environmental impacts. 8. Government agencies. Government agencies responsible for environmental protection and regulation should prioritize ISO 14006 to promote operational excellence and environmental sustainability among organizations within their jurisdiction. 9. Industry associations. Industry associations should prioritize ISO 14006 to encourage their member organizations to adopt operational excellence and environmental sustainability practices. 10. Certification bodies. Certification bodies should prioritize ISO 14006 to ensure that organizations undergoing certification to ISO 14001, Environmental Management System, or ISO 9001, Quality Management System, also adopt the principles of operational excellence. 11. Educational institutions. Educational institutions, particularly those offering courses in environmental management, quality management, and operations management, should prioritize ISO 14006 to equip students with the knowledge and skills required to implement operational excellence and environmental sustainability practices. 12. Consultants and trainers. Consultants and trainers specializing in operational excellence, environmental management, and quality management should prioritize ISO 14006 to provide their clients with the necessary tools and expertise to implement the standard. In conclusion, the implementation of ISO 14006 Operational Excellence Standard is crucial for individuals and organizations that aim to achieve operational excellence while minimizing their environmental footprint. By prioritizing this standard, organizations can improve their overall performance, reduce costs, and enhance their reputation. As I sat across from the CEO of a prominent manufacturing firm, I couldn't help but think about the parallels between the intricate dance of negotiation and the pursuit of operational excellence. The CEO, a seasoned leader with a no-nonsense demeanor, was struggling to reconcile the company's environmental stewardship with its relentless drive for efficiency. He confided in me that the company had made significant strides in reducing waste and energy consumption, but at the cost of increased production time and decreased profitability. The tension was palpable, and I sensed a deep-seated concern that the pursuit of environmental responsibility was somehow at odds with the company's very survival. I began by asking questions, probing the CEO's concerns and desires. What emerged was a nuanced understanding of the organization's values and priorities. I sensed that the CEO was torn between the desire to do good and the imperative to do well. As we delved deeper, it became clear that the company's environmental management systems were operating in silos, separate from the operational excellence initiatives. This was a classic case of the either-or mentality, where environmental responsibility was pitted against operational efficiency. I knew that this dichotomy was a recipe for mediocrity, and that the solution lay in integrating these two seemingly disparate goals. Together, we embarked on a journey to merge the company's environmental management systems with its operational excellence initiatives. We started by identifying the key performance indicators, KPIs, that drove the organization's success. Once we had a clear understanding of these metrics, we set about re-engineering the production process to minimize waste and maximize efficiency. One of the most critical steps in this process was the creation of a cross-functional team, comprising representatives from operations, environmental management, and finance. This team was tasked with identifying opportunities for improvement and developing solutions that would benefit both the environment and the bottom line. As we worked through this process, I was struck by the power of creative problem-solving. By bringing together individuals with diverse perspectives and expertise, we were able to identify innovative solutions that would have eluded us had we worked in isolation. One such solution was the implementation of a circular economy approach, where waste materials were repurposed into new products, reducing both waste and energy consumption. This innovation not only improved the company's environmental footprint, but also generated significant cost savings and revenue streams. Throughout this process, I was acutely aware of the importance of building trust and fostering open communication. The CEO and his team were initially skeptical, and it took time to win their confidence. However, as we achieved small victories and celebrated incremental successes, the atmosphere shifted from skepticism to enthusiasm. As we neared the end of our journey, I realized that the true magic had occurred not in the specific solutions we implemented, but in the systemic changes we had brought about. The company had developed a culture of collaboration, where environmental responsibility and operational excellence were no longer seen as mutually exclusive, but as intertwined pillars of success. In the end, the CEO's concern was not about reconciling environmental stewardship with operational efficiency, but about creating a sustainable future that was both profitable and responsible. As I left the company's headquarters, I felt a deep sense of satisfaction, knowing that we had not only improved the company's environmental performance, but had also created a model for operational excellence that would benefit generations to come.